How to create a form in Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to create a form in Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable, sign into your account, and then head over to the workspace where you want to create a form. So in here, go ahead and click on this Forms button, which you will find at the top of your screen at the right side of the interfaces. Click on this New Form button if you want to create a new form from scratch, or if you want to use a template, you can also click on that View Templates button. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the available templates you can use for the forms. So simply select the one that you prefer to use for your workspace in here. So after that, that will redirect you into this section. Click on this Use Template button at the right side of the template name, and that will take you here. So in here, you need to select where you want to incorporate this form to. And then after that, you'll get redirected into this section. So in here, go ahead and head over into the Forms tab. So you'll find that beside the interfaces, and you'll be able to find the current form that you have selected from the template that you have chosen. So this is how the form basically looks like. So you can go ahead and edit it out by clicking on the form itself and then directly editing it, such as adding more fields into the section by clicking on the plus icon for each of the section where that pops out. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and publish this form for that workspace. So you can go ahead and set who can access this form and answer this form into this section. So that is how you can basically create a form in Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.